How to recover Instagram account without email. So first of all, let's get to our Instagram, and in here you can see you'll need to add your password. But if you have forgotten your password, you can simply tap on forgot password, tap on that one, and in here you can see it says email or username. Since we don't have our email, all you need to do is write down your username in it. After writing your username, all you need to do is tap on continue. Or if you have your mobile number set to your account, you can also tap on the option find my mobile number. If I simply tap on continue, if my device recognizes my username, I will be logged back into my account. But if your device don't recognize your username, you'll have to now tap on the option find my mobile number and go with the further process of how you can get logged into your account via phone number. You might get OTP for that, so be prepared for that. For now, I'm going to tap on continue, and in here you can see my device will recognize my username and get me back logged in without using any of my email address. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to like our video.